Oh, not what you usually expect from a beekeeping video, right? But this is urban beekeeping, and we're on kind of a emergency mission here. It's early January, and I checked on our beehive a week ago. It was a really warm day. All the dry sugar I put on top of the hive is gone, and that would suggest to me that the hive is, aren't these great? It's my local bakery. I love that. That the hive has eaten through all its stores already, its food stores from the summer. And we had a really warm fall and a warm winter so far. I mean, with the climate, with the earth warming, this is the new thing, I think. So I think the bees have eaten through. Plus, we had a robbing incident, no fun. And I think that the robber bees took more than I thought they did. So you can come with me and we'll see what's going on. We have to put these right in here, okay? It's about 45 degrees. You can open a hive when it's colder, but I don't like it, so we're gonna pop this, put these in, close the hive. So I just wanna talk a lot before we do that. I got the recipe to make these bricks from Better Bee. They have beekeeping supplies and a really helpful information section, I thought. There's all sorts of talk about how to make these, and if you're wondering how to make them, well, start off with 14 cups of regular white cane sugar. Then you want 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1.5 teaspoons of citric acid. Don't use ascorbic acid. Take that, mix it into the dry sugar. Use your hands for this. I found that's really the best way to do it. Just get it all mixed together. It'll feel really good. Then get a sheet pan with parchment paper in it, and then dump the sugar into the pan and press it out evenly. Use a pastry knife or something to cut the brick shapes. You want to press all the way through to the bottom of the pan. And then to dry it, put it in your furnace room or some other warm place. It's going to have a little bit of a vinegary smell, but just give it some time and you'll be okay. Oh. Did you see that? I'll open it again, but I gotta go get my smoker. They're not clustered, they're in the top. I don't know, beekeeping is a fraught hobby, let's just say right now. Okay, so I'm gonna get my smoker, and we want to get some of those bees down in between the frames so we can lay the bricks in, you know? When you just have to smoke real quick, you don't have to build up the smoker with, you know, wood chips and all that. A couple pieces of paper just work out just fine. And the fact that I had one match left, that was a bright spot in today. from now on, we're just gonna have to feed this hive all winter with sugar cakes. You can also use a candy board, there's so many ways to do this, and people will argue about it. I just go with the experts tell me, because I'm clearly not the expert here. Stick around for the adventure. There's more of this, there's more all sorts of stuff. So maybe some videos are floating right here, or more information about me in the text below. Can you hear me over that ambulance?